Hello, friends. I have awesome news to share with all of you this Monday. Checks are going out right now, and double relief payments are available to be claimed by the American people. Many seniors and beneficiaries of Social Security can expect to receive bonus checks very soon. However, friends, several new changes are coming to Social Security. These changes will be in effect in just a few weeks. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of the new details. I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure, friends, that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances, friends, of winning these giveaways. I will also be giving away $200 gift cards to several of you to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. Social Security will be seeing a lot of changes in 2023. Many of them are tied to the biggest cost of living adjustment in more than 40 years. The new COLA will impact payments to Social Security beneficiaries, but it's not the only change that you will see next year. According to a recently published fact sheet from the Social Security Administration, here are the upcoming changes. The big news for 2023 is an 8.7% jump in the Social Security COLA, which is the highest since an 11.2% increase in 1981. The COLA steep hike next year is due to this year's soaring inflation rate, which is also the biggest in 41 years. The average monthly Social Security payment for all retired workers will rise to an estimated $1,827 in 2023 from $1,681. The SSA said it would be a gain of $146 per month. According to the Social Security Administration, for anyone receiving Social Security benefits, the new payment amount will start in January 2023. And for those receiving supplemental security income, the new payment amounts will begin on December 30th, 2022. Beneficiaries who receive both types will see their payments follow the same schedule, with the SSI increase arriving shortly before the Social Security increase. The 2023 COLA of 8.7% will not apply to all Social Security recipients. Some payment increases will even be higher than 8.7%, and some will be lower due to a variety of factors, including your primary insurance amount and when you sign up for Medicare. Beginning this December, the SSA will start mailing COLA notices to all beneficiaries, providing details on next year's payment amounts. Social Security recipients who also qualify for supplemental security income benefits will see an increase in the maximum federal SSI payment amounts in 2023, which is based on the 8.7% COLA. For individuals, the standard rises to $914 a month from $841 this year. Americans who retire at full retirement age, either 66 or 67 years old, depending on when you were born, you will also see a bump in your maximum benefit next year. The maximum will rise to $3,627 a month in 2023 from $3,345 a month in 2022. The Social Security Administration is also changing the earnings tax exempt amounts. The U.S. government withholds benefits if your earnings exceed a certain level and if you are under the full retirement age. According to the SSA, one of 2 different exempt amounts apply. It will be a lower amount in years before the year you reach full retirement age, and then a higher amount in the year you reach full retirement age. Also, friends, Republican Senator Rick Scott has recently said he doesn't know one Republican who wants to change Social Security and Medicare after his colleagues floated placing the 2 programs in the discretionary spending budget. Democrats have honed in on the line about Social Security spending, using it to campaign against Republicans. During an interview on NBC News, Senator Rick Scott talked about his position on Social Security, Senator Scott stated, "I have no interest in changing the Medicare program. I want to make sure we preserve the benefits of Medicare and Social Security. I don't know one Republican who wants to change that," adding that both programs are going bankrupt. In August of this year, Senator Ron Johnson of Wisconsin suggested that Social Security and Medicare should be discretionary spending programs that are approved by Congress instead of federal entitlement programs or mandatory spending. According to the Washington Post, a spokesperson from Johnson's office said that Johnson does not want to eliminate the programs, but thinks they are threatened with that the fiscal discipline and oversight typically found with discretionary spending. The New York Times reported that top Republicans also suggested raising the age to collect Social Security from 67 to 70 years old, and then raising healthcare insurance premiums for all seniors, pitching the ideas as a way to combat high government spending. Both President Biden and former President Obama, among other top Democrats, have called out Republicans on the campaign trail for the suggested cuts and changes. So friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Acadia National Park. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Acadia National Park, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner for each giveaway in a video this week. So please make sure that you enter as many keywords in the comment section below, and do stay tuned for those videos. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.
Economic growth is up, price inflation is down, real incomes are up, and gas prices are down. But here's the most important thing to me. Exports, what we make and export from America, are up, meaning we're making things again here in America. Today we're shipping products overseas instead of shipping jobs overseas, like we've been doing for much too long. You got it. There's nothing we can't do. And here's another thing. My predecessor, he promised to have an infrastructure week. For 4 years he promised infrastructure.